What up YouTube, this is your president, the Presidential Tourist, back with another video. I have something really cool to show you. Kind of embarrassed, I probably bought this several months to almost a year ago. Of course, from the title of the video, you already know what it is. A Batman themed toaster. And not just Batman themed, it'll toast your toast with a bat signal on it. Really cool. I bought this at a Hobby Lobby, and they had other themed toasters, like Star Wars one, some others, but Batman's my favorite superhero, so I had to get it. It only cost $7.99. Now obvious, this is basically a novelty. I'm sure it's not a very strong toaster, but so you know what, I'm going to get it. Additional features: extra wide toast slots, high-rise toast lift, hinge crumb tray, adjustable browning, and makes Batman toast. Anyways, I'm going to unbox it on camera for you. Here goes. One last look at the box before I open it. Pausing for awkward thumbnail. Okay, enough. Let's do it. No, not bagged very well. Hopefully this works. So I really doubt I can return it now. Here's the instruction booklet. Oops. Upside down. Let's pull this out. That's it pretty much for the unboxing part. Almost. What is that? Bag, and it has this wrap around it. Looks really cool. Really awesome. And it has the door that opens in the bottom for the crumb tray. And I almost say it almost looks like paper in there, but I don't think they'd have that there. Alright, let me just close this back up, and then I'm actually going to use it on camera and show you how the toast looks. Alright, let me take these thingamajigs that's always around everything with new stuff, and I have to get a pair of scissors to take that off, and then let's use it. Alright, I have it plugged in. I will go over the instruction booklet in a minute, but let's give this a try. I'm excited. I got some boring regular white bread. I normally don't eat this kind of bread. I'm more into like pumpernickel and rye, but I thought that this would show the bat signal thing better, so I just got some regular white bread from Publix. Goes. Alright. There. Oh. I already see some smoking. Probably should have ran this first by itself without any bread in there. That's what you're normally supposed to do. And you're not really supposed to use a toaster outside, but I thought it's a nice day, so I'm going to do that first. Definitely smell burning from it. And they have the adjustable, how much you want it brown. It's about I think about 1. the anticipation. We'll give that a minute while that's doing its thing. And here's the... There's not really anything to it. You know, toaster's a toaster, but there's important safeguards. You know, all the common sense stuff that's mentioned here. It says save these instructions. You know, it talks about being polarized, plug, line, cord, safety, tips, what you do before use. Yeah, it says first few minutes of initial use you may know smoke and or slight odor. This is normal and should quickly wear off. Okay, that was quick. Well, nothing. It is toasted actually to my liking. Still a little soft inside, but nice and crispy on the outside. Let's see the other one. Let's try that again. What I might need to do is I see the bat thing in there. See it, like I said, you see it a little bit on that. I might need to have thicker bread for this to work. I could try to put 2 in, but if I do that, it's a little there. Let's try that. Of course, it might catch on fire though. Let's try that. I think I just need thicker bread, and that might be too thick with 2 slices. Let's keep an eye on this. You know, 1 should be enough because the one side I didn't put any bread, and I did push into it pretty much. This won't be like my main. Even if it doesn't do the bat symbol on it, it's still a workable toaster. I have another one that I use that has like 4 slots instead. It's a better brand, which I'm not exactly sure what brand this is technically. Select Brands Inc. out of Lanxa, Kansas. But a lot of these directions, just operating instructions, you know, cleaning, storage, helpful hints for toasting. You know, a lot of limited 1-year limited warranty stuff. And then the other side's in I think that might be French. Let's try. Well, yeah, I could see it. Still don't work that well. I think if I did a regular white bread that's thicker, not 2 pieces, it might do it better. You can see there. Of course, this side won't do it because the bat thing is only on the outside edges. So, well, it sort of works. I'm gonna let it run one time without anything in there, just to burn off anything extra again. It sort of works, just doesn't work that well. I'm glad I got it. Like I said, it's still a functioning toaster. It will do what it's supposed to, toast the bread. It just doesn't do the bat signal thing too well. What I could do, you're not really supposed to like re-toast bread. Let's see if I can pop this up. Let's try one. I'm probably going more on to this longer than I need to, but let's put these in here. They go down, and then we'll push it back down again, and see that puts the signal symbol in it more. But it may burn it too much. Just let it do its thing. But yeah, this is like I said, a really cool concept. You would never have seen anything like this when I was a kid, so I'm glad they have this. You know, like I said, they had other themed ones like Star Wars. When they had some others, I do not remember what they were. But when I seen Batman and only $7.99, yeah. But keep in mind, this isn't going to be the best toaster at $7.99. It's a pretty cheaply made one, I think. But if it does its job, who really cares? Just going to wait till this pops open. Definitely feel the heat from that. Ooh, yeah. There's a lot of heat. Let me make sure. I don't really feel it by the camera, so you're okay. Check this one more time. Yeah, it sort of works. It looks, actually, it almost looks better on camera than it does in person. Yeah, sort of. Now let's re-toast it again. Of course, me taking it out, putting it back in, probably shifted it a little bit, so it might not be aligned now. I'm amazed how fast this toasts, because my other toaster does not toast as quick. I could probably turn this up more and it might show more. I might do that off camera because I'm already 8 minutes into this. That's what I may have to do, turn it up more. If I do that, I'll do it off camera and then show you. Okay, I'm going to wait till it pops up. And then I might do it again, just turn it up so it toasts longer. Alright, you know how I double toasted this? That definitely works. I think that's what I need to do. I need to turn it on so it toasts it longer. But here it is. It's definitely works, so it needs to be toasted longer. So these were double toasted. So I'm going to do it one more time, but I'm going to just turn it up so it toasted it longer without toasting it twice and see if that is the trick. Alright, I'll let you know in a second. Well, we can turn it on with you. Let's see, I turned it on. Turn it on to 3. Turn it on to like 4. It's about 4. Alright. Actually, maybe let's keep you with me. This is probably the last time. Yeah, so it works if you turn it up more. Anticipation. Okay, warm out here today. It's in the 80s. It's a nice, beautiful Florida weather. Have you ever tried anything like this, a themed toaster like this? Let me know. And this video is a bit too long, I apologize. I didn't intend for it to be this long. I'm trying like different things. I wonder how well this would work with like rye, or a pumpernickel. You should be able to see it in that too. I'll have to try that out. Like I said, pumpernickel is my favorite bread. Damn, like a good deli rye or marble rye. Alright, I'm going to turn you off, and when the cup hops up, I'll turn you back on. Alright, here it goes. Yeah, pushing it down twice at that lower level, it seemed to work better. It showed more. But yeah, definitely turning this up is the way to go. And I bet if I turn up all the way, I'll do it even better. But that's cool. Very cool. Alright. that's it. I probably went on a little too long for this. Any comments, questions, let me know. But yeah, if you have a kid, or even yourself, if you like Batman or any of these themes that they have this in a toaster, it's definitely a cool novelty to get. You know, I can't speak for how robust this thing would be or how long it would last, but it's basically a typical toaster. Just does a little cool thing with it. Alright, any comments, questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. Alright, you know that means time to get on to the next video. Yeah.